Hello everyone, today's topic is about Nematoda, a tiny beast. Now, what is nematode? Nematodes are members of the phylum Nematoda, most commonly known as roundworm. Why are they tiny beasts? Well, this is because most of nematodes are parasitic. They are tiny, but can give tremendous and sometimes fatal effect to their host, very dangerous. But some of them are free living, not that much of a beast, I guess.
Let's find out.
Nematodes are bilaterally symmetrical. They are pseudosolemate, which means they have a false body cavity. They are composed of an outer tube, which is the body wall, and an enveloping inner tube, which is the digestive tract. Between this tube is the pseudosoleum. This structure allows oxygen to function without interrupted by surrounding tissues. It also aids in circulation, digestion, and as a hydrostatic skeleton.
Have you eaten? If yes, what happened to the food?
Digestive system divided into three parts: the stomadyums, intestine, and protodyums. The stomadyum consists of mouth and lips, buccal cavity, and pharynx in esophagus. The protodyum is the back ectodermal parts of the alimentary canals. Pharynx is used for feedings. It protrudes out of the mouth to grab food. It is then secreted by different enzymes found in glands of the esophagus. Afterwards, it is sent through the esophagus toward the intestines. The food reaches a section where it is digested. In males, the structure is known as cloaca and rectum in females. The digested food has broken down minerals for the body. The remains are disposed as a waste out of the anus.
Stomachache, is it? Let's talk about how do you excrete.
The excretory system in nematode excrete nitrogenous waste in form of ammonia through its body wall by diffusion. The nematode have a network of excretory tube which transfer much of the solid to the anus. This system is made out of 4 distinctive cells: a pore cell, a duct cell, a canal cell, and a few part of gland cell. The secreted material from the canal and gland cell passes through a cuticle-lined excretory duct located just below the terminal bulb of pharynx and is deposited outside via pore at the ventral midline.
Have you ever thought why you move like this?
The body wall has 3 layers: the cuticle, hypodermis, and inner layers of muscle cells. Internal to the hypodermis are 1 or more layers of longitudinally arranged striated muscle. Each muscle cell consists of a contractile part with muscle tubes and a non-contractile part or cell body containing the mucus, mitochondria, and other organelles. Contraction of muscle bend to the body dorsally and ventrally. The contraction of one muscle group will stretch another. They move in a sinusoidal manner by undulating wave of longitudinal muscle contraction, or in other words, they wiggle their way through.
Have you ever thought about how your mom and your dad make you and your siblings? It's kind of weird, but let's find out.
Have you ever known that nematodes have 2 separate sexes?
The male reproductive organ consists of testis, vas deferens, and seminal vesicle, which opens up into a cloaca. Spermatogonia are produced in the testis and stored in the seminal vesicle, and the ejaculatory duct has spicules. The female structure, however, includes one or two ovaries, seminal receptacles, ovary, ovijector, and a vulva. The ovary produces oogonia, which develops into an oocyte. The presence of spicules in males serves as the canal for the spermatozoa. Often, the body wall around cloaca is modified into a bursa, which helps orient the male and helps hold the two nematodes together during copulation. Fertilization occurs when male injects sperm into the female and fertilizes an oocyte. The fertilized oocyte develops into an egg in the uterus. The uterus often ends in an ovijector. The ovijector is very muscular and uses body movement combined with high internal body pressure of the nematode to expel the egg through the vaginas.
Ouch! Are you okay? Are you feeling pain? This is because of your nervous system. The nervous system is made out of a nerve ring, which is made up of 4 ganglia and nerve cords. The ganglia connects to 4 peripheral nerves, which runs the length of the body on dorsal, ventral, and lateral surface. Longitudinal nerve trunks connects nerve in esophageal region to nerve in anus region. A nematode body is covered with sensory bistule and papillae, which provide a sense of touch.
Ever thought, how do you grow from a baby to an adult? Let's find out.
Life cycle differ depending on species. Generally, the eggs develop into larvae. The larvae are located inside the fertilized egg. They emerge and continue to mature. Mature larvae then develop into adult worms where females are larger than males. They are equipped with a digestive and reproductive system.
You shed your skin. Why and how?
At one point, nematodes molt to go. The molting process involves 2 steps, which are the synthesis of new cuticle and the shading of the old one. In the achievement process, activated enzyme is released into excretory duct and passed through the space between 2 cuticles. Enzyme action weakens the cuticle A. The cuticle breaks and the anterior detaches as a cap B. The worm then wriggles out, leaving the shift C and D.